Hello, I am Nermeen Zaki. I was graduated from Faculty of Education Science Department in 2005. After I got graduated, I wanted to develop my skills and I was eager to learn. So I decided to take STEM diploma. I had the chance to be taught by the best doctors. They made a huge difference in our
STEM.
lives.
It's the acronym for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The disciplines that are vital for a thriving economy and a safe and technologically advanced society. Right from kindergarten till 12th grade, most of STEM teaching and learning centers around science and mathematics. Comparably little attention has been given to integrated technology and applying engineering techniques to have a greater understanding of the science and the math concepts. For many years, the four subjects have been taught in isolation, but the newly formed methods like the next generation science standards is placing more emphasis on the connections between and among the STEM disciplines. To understand how this trend might affect teaching and learning in the future, we need to take a closer look at integrated STEM education, not just the individual subjects, and make up the acronym. Affecting all in the world, science relies on technology, mathematics, and engineering. And engineering, it depends on findings from science, the application of mathematics and technology. Imagine if kindergarten through 12th grade students were inspired and provided fun, hands-on, and engaging experience. The Turkey be subject the two in integrated with real life problems, or they learn more and more deeply likely STEM disciplines are more relevant to their lives. Could it lead to more than pursuing STEM courses and careers? The answers to these questions depends partly on how integrated STEM education is implemented in schools and in after-school settings. Research suggests that implementation has to balance learning in the individual STEM subjects with more connected ways of learning. In addition, because it can be hard for students to make these connections, teachers should transform to facilitators and lead to make the connection exclusive inside the classroom. Some teachers may use instructional approaches like problem-based learning or engineering design space to teaching problem solving, and to introduce integrated STEM education to their students. Outside the classroom, students have been exposed to certain connections in museums, and for instance through after-school experience like engaging in STEM focus, robotic competition, or through simple baking. However, we need more research to better understand the potential benefit and the limitation of integrated STEM education for students, teachers, and schools. What, for example, are the implications of integrated STEM educations for high schools? How can teachers be better prepared to teach in such robust integrative methods? And how can we assess place to determine what they learn and what's the level of attainment and result of this grassroots STEM experience? The list questions belongs, but answering them is important. Now I will answer the question and how can apply STEM education in the Egyptian school. First, curricula. STEM education is based on projects. The design of the STEM curriculum is based on the integration of the four disciplines: mathematics, science, engineering, and technology, and focus on integrated conceptual expertise. It adopts the means and methods of problem solving, investigation, and extensive application of practical activities. Secondly, the means and methods of teaching. STEM education depends on preparing and appropriate learning environment for students to help them enjoy in workshop on science, technology, engineering, and practical skills. Third, the teacher. The STEM program is concerned with the teacher, as the program includes a set of direct practical workshops that help teachers enhance students' learning in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and consolidate their concept of STEM. In these workshops, curricula, and training materials, teachers learning and apply a set of practical scientific activities and cooperative games that will help them in the future to apply this concept in their classrooms. Through these activities, they will be able to identify strategies that show ways to benefit from these activities in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Fourth, the students. Students by training them on number of educational strategies, such as problem solving and cooperation, and it's better that students be included in the STEM education program before the secondary stage, because this helps motivate students to study in the fields of STEM.